All right, good morning again and welcome back to the UK live. Also, good afternoon and good evening if you are joining from the Asia Pacific zone. And let's get started. We shall discuss six instruments, including Bitcoin, in this session. So let's begin with the euro. At least since we are also posting individual short videos of each instruments, I think the wave counts are now way much clear, so I can take the liberty to we can just discuss with the help of a pointer here. That was wave 1, 2, 1 of 3, and the movement until now suggests that euro is either forming a running flat, or it might just test the 1860 levels. Once again, wave 1, wave 2, 1 of 3, wave 2 of 3, kind of posting a flat or a running flat. We have to see that. And the resistance is already taken at a 61.8%. That's also fine. The next movement should be ideally it should be towards 1.1550. In between there is a support coming in at 1600 levels. Right. So as far as the trading point of view, intraday shorts can be initiated now. If you are joining fresh, warm humble welcome, and also watch out the Telegram channel at t.me/Japee, joining in for all the live trade setups and videos there. So if you're an intraday kind of a trader, please go short with a stop above 1.187080. I've suggested 85 with a soft target of around 1600 and 1550. And if you are a positional trader, then your stop loss, just raise your stop loss a bit towards 1.1970. Remain short with the target of at least 1.1550. Watch out for a break below that. Quite a few deeper corrective drop is expected this time. All right, we are keeping on churning with the short-term trades or intraday trades. The long-term trades don't change easily, or medium-term do not change easily. We are holding shorts in euro, we are holding shorts in pound, and this is the wave structure for pound. Finally, it looks like a wave 1, wave 2, and what has happened after that is triangle structure with A, B, C, D, and 1 of 3, and that's the triangle structure. That is A, B, C, D, and E. Now, if this is correct, prices should remain below 3467, and should be looking forward towards at least 3200 levels downside. All right, so trading point of view, intraday traders, go short. We have issued a short at 3400 levels in the channel here. If you are just joining, you can still sell with a stop above 3465.70, and you can take profits around the 3200 mark or even lower. All right, one small declaration: all the trades that are discussed here are purely or based on the technical analysis and purely because of the passion that we are driving here. Otherwise, don't take it as any form of malicious solicitation. Okay, I am not a broker, I'm just a trader and an analyst, that's all. Right, so Don't take this as a personal solicitation or advice for my benefit. If you find that the trades are going good, you can do take on your real accounts. Also try them on the demo accounts first and gain confidence. Anytime, feel free to write to me on my email for any questions or doubts or queries whatsoever you have in your mind, please. Alright, so euro on the short side, crude oil on the short side, sorry, GBP on the short side. Swing traders for the GBP USD, please remain short again with a stop right above that level. At least in general, you should be above 36.50. Okay, dollar index, no change, absolutely no change. Wave 1, corrective ABC wave 2, 1 of 3, and could be a running flat or a standard flat in the making. Mostly I think it's a running flat. Watch out for a break above 94. Eventually it's going to break above 94.20, push through 95 and 98. Support comes in immediately at 93.28, and a strong support is at 92.50. So if you are looking for an intraday setup, you can go long at these levels. We have bought about 40.45, that when the price was around 40.45. Place your stop loss right below 93.28, maybe around 93.20, and target 94.20 and 95. That is a short-term trade. Medium term and long term, we are already holding positions through that price. Stop loss around 92.50 and target 95 and 98. All right. Gold, structurally there is absolutely no change in gold, with waves 1, 2, 3, 4 almost ready to plunge lower towards wave 5. Just a slight correction with the targets. It's not about just 1230. You should be looking lower towards 1200 levels now. At least 1220 and 1200. Alright. Trading point of view, if you are an intraday kind of a trader, you can go short. It's a very good point to go short. I don't think prices should manage to move about 1270, but a protective stop loss goes at 1277, and target that support for intraday 1250 and lower. You never know how gold moves. Sometimes it is very fast. For swing traders, the same trade, we are already holding shorts from 55, stop 77, target 1200. All right. And silver, I think wave 4 is working out well here. It's leading actually among the two brothers, gold and silver. You can sell. Wave 4 is done around 1620 mark. We are moving towards wave 5. Resistance immediately stands at 1650, but the protective stop loss has been suggested at 1690. Even if you are trading intraday, kindly sell now and place your stop loss around 1690 or at least above 1650, and target that support 1580, 1550. Even for the long term or swing traders, we are already holding shorts from around the same price. The stop at 1690 and targeting below 1550. All right, let's look at the Bitcoin now. I don't know if you have viewed the short video that I posted on the channel, Telegram channel, or not, but if you are joining in live here, this is looking good. One more time, I think it's working out. At least it has done two steps. Let's not Let's not worry or speculate on what it is doing as far as the wave counts are concerned, but at least two things have happened. One, it has broken the immediate support trend line, and we are on an hourly chart. It's not a 10 minutes or 15 minutes chart. The second thing it has done has taken the support at 15,700. Could be a wave 4 termination as well. You never know, but I think if we consider the backside of the trend line here, backside of the trend line should provide enough resistance around the 1800 mark now. Simply put, as an ABCD structure, I think that's an AB boundary which is formed. A pullback is expected towards the 1800 mark, and then it's expected to drop lower towards 12,000 and 10,000 levels again. So I'm not suggesting an intraday kind of a trader. Short-term traders might go long with a stop around below 1573, targeting 18,000 levels, but that's a very risky call. In fact, I would suggest please hold on to your instinct and look to sell around 18,000 levels with a soft target of around at least 12,000 and below. These are the extensions if you are seriously contemplating trading Bitcoin. One humble suggestion: Bitcoin risk reward ratios are too high, so take small units on your MT4s. And I've also seen people not managing their risk properly. Too many positions, too many lot sizes. It's not good actually. 1 to 2% risk on your account. I repeat, 1 to 2% risk on your account margin. Don't take that unwanted leverage, my brothers. It's dangerous. If you're wanting to play long and if you want to stay as a business person, take this trading as one of the businesses. Don't take it as a speculative activity. Otherwise, it's not. You're going to lose out. Give it to charity if you have more money, but avoid speculating. 1 to 2% risk on your margin account is fine. All right, it's a good way to deal with it. All right, let's bring this session to a pause here, and thank you again if you're joining online or might be viewing the recorded version of this. Do check out joining the Open for All Telegram channel. That's what I'm trying to build a traders community, and also if you are already there with me, help spread words. All right, we've already gapped 2000 plus, almost 1900 points in the last 20-25 days. If you're liking it already, help me spread the word, brothers. Right. All right, then I'll come back after a few hours to touch base again in the New York live, and in between, if I see opportunities to trade, I'll be posting short 3 to 5 minutes videos for that particular instrument. All right. Once again, thank you for joining, and good luck to your trades, brothers and sisters, and please take care and God bless. Until the next time, goodbye.